Invoice number V9386. Today is June 26, 2026. We are video inspecting the dryer vent. So, dryer vent had zero airflow upon arrival. Upon video inspection, which is what we jumped to first, we determined that there were solid blockages within this vent. Upon further exploration, we found that the vent located inside the dryer was completely disconnected. Reconnected that, turned the dryer back on. Airflow is still virtually non-existent and extremely faint. Again, not being able to determine the internals of this vent due to the buildup within here, we did clean it, and what we did find was insulation that was embedded with lint. Upon further exploration, we found that the pipe was disconnected. Now, this could have been partially disconnected. We're not 100% sure, but this is what we have currently. Lots of buildup in this system. Customer states closed, not drying. You can see all this lint that's embedded within here as well. Lots and lots of lint. Customer did state that he did run a leaf blower through this vent as well. All this lint. Tons. That concludes your video inspection. We are approximately 3, 6, 9, 12, 3, 6, 9, 12. We are approximately 23 feet inward. That concludes your video inspection. Defects are certainly observed.